50 amp voltage reducer. The voltage range on this is 48 volts to 72 volts. It comes with supplied ring terminals and extra fuses. Voltage reducer also comes with 4 gauge acceptable input and output terminals. The wiring diagram is also in the manual. The Bolt Energy 50 amp voltage reducer is built tough, delivering reliable power for high performance amplifiers, full lighting setups, and all your accessories, so you can run it without any worry. This is where you would connect your ignition input, or you can leave the bus bar in there to keep it on at all times. Your 72 volt, 48 volt main input, positive and negative. Your 12 volt output negative and your 12 volt output positive.